Hey guys, welcome back to this SQL tutorial series. In this session, we'll be implementing the left join. So the left join basically returns all the records from the left table and the matched records from the right table. So if we take table A and table B, then applying left join on these two tables would give us all the records from table A and only the matched records from the table B. So let's have a look at the syntax. We'll start with the select keyword and then give the list of the columns, following which we'll give the from keyword and give the name of the first table. Then we'll use the keywords left, join, and then give the name of the second table. After which we'll use the keyword on. So this on keyword tells SQL that this left join needs to be done on some condition. And that condition would be values from column X of table 1 should be equal to values from column Y of table 2. So let's implement this left join on the employee table and the department table. So before I implement the left join, let me actually have a glance at both of the tables. So I'll start with the employee table. Select star from employee. And these are the columns present in the employee table. Employee ID, employee name, employee salary, employee age, employee gender, and employee department. So I'll be taking this employee department column from the employee table. Now similarly, let me have a glance at the department table. Select star from, the name of the table is department. So we have the department ID, department name, and the department location. And from this department table, we'll be selecting this DName column. So we'll be applying the left join on the EDEPT column of the employee table and the DName column from the department table. So let me start with the syntax to implement the left join. So I will give in the select keyword first, and then I will give all of the columns which I want to select. So I want to select the employee name column from the employee table. So first I will give in the name of the table, which is employee. Then I'll put dot over here and then I will type employee name. Now I'd also want the employee department column. So first I will give in the name of the table, which is employee. I'll put dot over here and then I will give in EDEPT over here. Then I'd want the department name column and the department location column from the department table. So I will give in the name of the table first, which is department. I'll put a dot over here and I will select the department name column from the department table. Similarly, again I will type in the table name, which is department, and I'll put a dot over here and then I'll also select the department location column. So now that I've selected all of the columns, let me give in the keyword from and then give the name of the first table, which is employee. Then I'll give the keywords left, join, and then give the name of the second table, which is department. Now I'll give the on keyword and then give the condition. And the condition would be the values from the employee department column from the employee table should be equal to the values of the department name column from the department table. So employee dot EDEPT, these values should be equal to department dot DName. I'll press semicolon over here. Now let me hit execute. Right, so this is the result when we apply the left join operation on the employee table and the department table. So we've got all of the records from the left table, which is the employee table. And we see that we get only the matched records from the department table, which is the right table over here. And wherever the records haven't matched, we get null values. So you see that the operations department is not present in the department table. So that is why we have null values over here. And this is how we can implement the left join. In the next session, we will learn about the right join. So thanks for attending the session. Let's meet in the next class.